How can you find out of electron? Okay, let's write down the velocity of electrons. Velocity of electron in nth Bohr's orbit. Okay. Now in that case, look, we all know the formula mv square by r equals to kz square by r square. mvr equals to nh by 2 pi. From here you have to find out the r value. So r equals to nh by 2 pi m into v. Now look, when you cut down this one, just this r value you have to put here. So what will be the formula? What will come? It arises like mv square equals to kz square. R equals to, can I write nh 2 pi m into v. Okay, 2 pi m into v. Any doubt regarding this part? Okay, now just cut down this one, this v, this v. So what will be the velocity? Velocity equals to 2 pi kz square n h. Now look, which value are unknown? The unknown term is basically here z and here n. Okay, so can I write this equation is vn, where vn is basically velocity of nth Bohr orbit. Velocity of nth Bohr orbit. Okay, so vn value is proportional to z by n, because all the value you know the value of e, you know the value of h, you know the pi, k, all the stuff. When you put the all value, after putting all the value, after putting all the value, after putting all the known value, this equation becomes vn equals to 2.188 into 10 to the power 6 z by n. And what is the unit of velocity? Meter per second. Okay, but this formula is not required, only this one is required. Only you have to remember this one. Okay, that is enough. Suppose two atoms are present. I am taking two atoms A and B, where atomic number of z1, here atomic number is z2, velocity is v1, velocity is v2, and cell number is n1, cell number is n2. So what is the relation between v1 v2? v1 v2 is equals to z1 by z2 into n2 by n1. Is it clear? These are the ratio of velocity of two different atom or two different elements. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding this part? Okay, now what will be the formula? The formula is basically, can I write? The formula is v proportional to z by n. So when you remove the proportional sign, v equals to kz by n. Now from this formula you can draw three graphs. First graph is basically vn versus z. How can you draw? Vn versus z means, first write down the formula vn equals to k by n into z. So this one equals to y-axis, this one equals to m, and this one x. So what is the formula? What is the y equals to mx graph? Nature of mx graph: straight line passing through origin. Vn Z, slope is K by M. The first graph. If you go through the second graph I am taking Vn versus M. Kz divided by 1 by N. So this one is a Y, this one equals to M. 1 by N, can I write X inverse? So what is Y equals to Mx inverse graph? Vn N, the graph is rectangular parabola, rectangular hyperbola. Nature of graph, hyperbola. Okay, in this case, third one, graph Vn versus 1 by N. Then again just go through the formula. Vn equals to Kz into 1 by N. Now this one I am taking M, this one I am taking Y. So Y equals to Mx. Y equals to Mx. Straight line crossing through origin where slope is K by Z. Kz. Okay. 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 I am giving you one question. Calculate the ratio of velocity v1 and v2. Easy question, very easy. Ratio of velocities. V1 is to V2 for lithium 2 plus ion of first second cell and helium plus ion of third cell. Solve it quickly. I will give you 3 minutes for that. Completed. Tell me the value. Tell me the value.
Sir, I didn't get this.
Easy. Just put the value. V1 by V2. This formula is required. Ratio na. Only the ratio case you have to require this one. V1 by V2. Here V1 I am taking for lithium plus, lithium 2 plus, and V2 I am taking for helium plus. Now what is the formula? V1 by V2 equals to Z1 by Z2. Z1 means for lithium, Z for lithium, Z for helium. So N value is N for helium, N for lithium. Now Z for lithium is, what is the Z value? 3. Helium is 2. For helium, cell number is 3. For lithium, cell number is 2. So that is 9 by 4. Okay. So V1 lithium 2 plus is 2. V2 of helium plus is given 9:4. Any doubt regarding this part?
No, sir. I got the same answer, but I did it wrong. The method.
Okay. And this formula, not nothing else. Okay. Another last questions. Okay. Velocity of first shell of hydrogen atom is given 9 into 10 to the power 4 meter per second. What will be the velocity? Will be the velocity of second shell of helium plus ion. Solve it quickly. 1 minute. I will give you 1 minute time. Completed. Again same thing. V1 means V for hydrogen, V for helium. That you have to find out. Z of hydrogen, Z of helium, and N of helium, N of hydrogen. Look, V for hydrogen, this value is given 9 into 10 to the power 4. This you have to find out. What is the value of Z? Atomic number Z is 1. Helium is 2. N of helium, shell number, what is given? 2. And N of hydrogen, shell number of hydrogen, what is given? First. So the value is basically same. 10 to the power 4 meter per second. Any doubt regarding this part? Up to that part, any doubt? Radius and velocity part. Next day I will go through the frequency and energy part. Okay? Energy part, it will take time. Any doubt? Okay, so that is the end of today's class. All of you, bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.